Devolution is no longer a baby. It is now an established framework for governing and delivering public services. 5 years of establishing the county governments have taught Kenyans what they want of devolution and how to get it. There is no doubt there have been some challenges in the use of public resources, with some individuals fraudulently and corruptly diverting public resources to benefit themselves. But we are building preventative tools and ways for our citizens to become more involved in reporting graft. My administration, and I must emphasize, that despite these challenges, has remained committed to the implementation of devolution. From an allocation of Kenya shillings 210 billion in the financial year 2013-14, we now stand at Kenya shillings 327 billion for the financial year 2017-18, an increase of 56% in 5 years. I also recently signed the Division of Revenue Bill 2018, which sets aside some Kenya shillings 372 billion for counties in the coming financial year 2018-19. And in the spirit of upholding devolution, my administration further decentralized service delivery by initiating the Huduma Mashinani program. This program brought vital services from registration services such as identity cards to NSSF and NHIF services, amongst others, closer to the people. Kenyans believe in devolution, and my administration has matched that belief with strong and tangible support for it.